Three stories are humming beneath the headlines. First, a practical walkthrough on using ChatGPT as an early warning lens for altcoin momentum. Less fortune-telling, more disciplined research, as reported today. Second, a Trump-backed WLFI token with a scheduled unlock in the tens of billions. 27 billion tokens per the listing data, an event that can reshape how a chart breathes before and after it lands. Third, an explainer on why Binance and Tether are watching South Korea closely, because when that market stirs, liquidity windows and microstructure can shift in ways you feel at the keyboard. Different notes, same rhythm. Smarter signals, supply crosswinds, regional flows. When rhythm changes, opportunity follows, if we trade the level, not the noise. Let's start with the AI signal. The guide makes a simple promise. ChatGPT can't see the future, but it can help you see the present more clearly. With well-crafted prompts, you can ask it to build watch lists around fundamentals, scan social traction worth validating, and detect patterns that rhyme with prior momentum. Then you pressure test those ideas with external tools. Market cap and price context from familiar dashboards, social sentiment from specialized trackers, on-chain footprints from scanners, and finally, with your own eyes on volume, spreads, and the quality of the order book. Why this matters to day traders is not magic, it's timing. The earlier you recognize a real catalyst, the less you need to chase. The survival frame is steady and small. Define your invalidation before you click, so a single candle can't rewrite your day. Size by realized volatility, so your dollar risk stays constant when ranges expand. Use time stops, because momentum that won't reveal itself quickly is usually just noise in costume. Treat AI as your scout, not your general. It's there to open the door, you still decide if the floor is strong enough to step on. Now to supply, where the air gets heavier. A report today highlights WLFI, a token connected to a Trump-backed venture with a scheduled unlock of roughly 27 billion tokens per the listing data. Supply events don't guarantee direction, but they do change the microstructure. Ahead of the date, you'll often see pre-positioning, liquidity pockets forming above and below obvious shelves, fake-outs around mid-levels, and a quiet thinning near key lines as participants wait to see who blinks. During the event, the tape usually answers the only question that matters. Is the new supply absorbed on rising participation, or do bids step away and let price seek the next lower pocket? For traders, the edge isn't in prediction, it's in preparation. Mark the value area that matters, mark the clean shelf below. If the unlock passes and price reclaims a key level on volume, that's the kind of retest you can define risk against with surgical size. If price loses the level on strong participation and can't retake it on a retest from below, step aside and let gravity point you to the next place where effort meets response.